Hi crafters, this is Raquel with Paints and Glitter, and today I'm bringing you a very quick little video. I wanted to join in with Jill Greenwood on her Saturday morning makes, and I did just complete this little card here. So I wanted to share what I used, and I apologize for the shaky video. I'm doing this one-handed, but I have this Sizzix paper pad I just picked up and shared in a haul video, as well as this adorable little jar die set from Lisa Jones for Sizzix. And it's my first time using these. They're brand new. As well as this framelit and stamp set here. This does coordinate with the paper pack. So I've used that stamp there that says thank you. And then I've used the largest tag from that set there. I've also used from Joann's, I got these diamond dots in this really cute pink color. Here's the shade, number, and then some twine. And look at the card. I think it's so adorable. I did manage to make a shaker out of it. I used the very thick foam that you can get from Hobby Lobby. I used some sequins from my stash. There's the little diamond dots just to give it a little shine here and there. I'm going to be heading out to Joann's to get way more of those little dots. They just had the perfect amount of shine there without any drying time, really, because as soon as the glue dries and you're set to go. So this is going out on a little package, and I just wanted to share that, and hopefully I can come back with more crafty videos to share some cards. I tend to mail out my cards well, for the most part pretty quickly, so that's why I don't have more to show. The other ones all went in the mail yesterday, so I didn't get to record that, but I do have other crafty videos that you could enjoy if you ever come back to my channel. But I want to say thank you so much for joining me, and that you can be inspired and be blessed. I hope you have a beautiful day. Bye-bye.